First go to Ambient CG, click here, and type grass. Then select this grass. I have downloaded this in 2K resolution, then come back and type ground. Click this one. I have downloaded this in 4K, if you want you can download it 2K or high resolution, then go to Polyhaven website, click here HDRIS, and scroll down here. Click this one, and download this in 4K resolution. Now we can start to creating realistic grass. Click Edit, Preference, type Node here, and enable Node Wrangler add-on. Click 3 in Numpad, click Shift, A, bring plane, in here change this into view, you can see our plane is in our view side, and little bit increase the size. Now go to Shader Editor, rename this into grass, then select Principle B, S, D, F, and click Ctrl, Shift, T. See all the texture are connected perfectly. Go into Material Preview. We are going to cut this images. Click Tab change this into edit mode. Now click K to it as knife tool. Now your cursor will become a knife. Left click now you can see it add a vertex. Again click here another vertex now it is joined. Likewise do it. Remember one thing, do not add more vertex, then it will become a high poly grass. After that right click to stop cutting, then again cut this grass. Click space bar to come out of the knife tool. Now select these two vertex, and click J to joint these two vertex. Now joint all the vertex here like this. Select this vertex, move before here, then rotate it. Again do the same for all the grass, make it different like this. Click 7 in the numpad to go to top view. Bring the grass here and just rotate it. Do the same for all the grass like this. Click A to select all the vertex. Click Shift D to duplicate it and right click. Now just rotate it. Again duplicate it, move this in here, and click P, click selection. See this doesn't has origin in here, so right click, set origin, origin to geometry, select some grass, and delete it. Rename the grass, grass 1, grass 2. Now we want lightning, for that click this world properties, click this yellow option here, click the environment texture, click open and bring this H, D, R, I, image. See now lightning is good. Click this grass and, click Ctrl, A, click all transform, do the same for other grass too. After that the both of the grass origin is not in its geometry, click the grass, right click, set origin, origin to geometry. Move it here in Y-axis, bring plane in edit mode, scale it big, right click subdivide, change the number of cuts 25. Now here click shader editor, click new, then select Principle B, S, D, F, and click Ctrl, Shift, T. Now click Open and select these ground texture, and click Principle Texture. Go to Geometry node, click New, click Shift, A, bring Distribute Points on Faces, place it here, and bring Instance on Points, place it here, then bring Join Geometry, place it here. Connect this geometry into geometry. Finally bring Collection Info. Now select these two grass, click M, click New Collection, rename it Grass, click OK. Here select Grass and connect this instance to this instance. Now enable these two options here, separate children and reset children, then reduce the scale into 0.100. Now see here the grass maximum or in below, that's because the origin. Now select these two grass, and in edit mode bring it up, you can see the difference here. Bring random value, here change the scale max into 0.100, and min value into 0.050, it will randomly assign. Again bring random value, change this into vector, and here change this max value both 0, and in here change the value, it will randomly rotate it. Now bring camera here, and in here enable this option to move your camera, and place your camera correctly. In render settings, max sample 128 is for good HD, but if you want you can increase the value into 300, for good quality and for more. In performance here, in final render, enable the persistent data. In light paths, for if you not using glossy or diffuse transmission, you can make the value 0. Or if you using that, according to that you can reduce value, because if you are not changing the value, then it will calculate all these values. Now I am reducing the values. Now you have successfully completed creating grass. Subscribe my channel to learn more like this.